Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can stop automatic updates in Windows 10. So even though if you might go to settings, you'll realize that you can only pause or stop the updates for a certain limited period. So for example, in my case, Windows Update, and here I can only stop it for 7 days. So if you are planning to stop it for 1 month or 2 months, it doesn't work. So to fix that, or to stop the Windows automatic update, you will need to go to the search tab and you will type services. We will open this application by clicking on it, and here we are going to press the key W on your keyboard, and we will keep just going down until we find Windows Update. Once Windows Update located, you will double click on it and this little window will pop up. The next thing, we will change the start type from automatic by clicking on it to manual or disabled. So here you will have two options. You can either put it on manual, which means that you will perform the updates only when you want, which means that you will need to go click start updates and download them and install them, or you will select disable, and to enable them you will have to come back to enable them back and perform the updates. So personally I prefer disabled. I will just select it. The service status says running, so I will just click stop. Once done, you will need to click on apply and we will click OK. Here when we check on the startup type, we will find that it's disabled, and the status, it doesn't show running. Now we have got rid of the Windows automatic updates, and your computer should not be able to perform any updates until you enable it back. So you can just go ahead and close your computer. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, just write us a comment and we will do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to make more video tutorials, then you can press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.